Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm doing an unboxing review demo of the HaloLock Mini Kickstand Wireless Power Bank from ESR. ESR makes some of the absolute best iPhone accessories there are, and this mini kickstand power bank with HaloLock technology is no exception. This is a 5000 mAh mini power bank that has a kickstand built into it. You see, you get a 2-year warranty with it, and this does come in black or white. I have the white version here. Also in the box you get, of course, instructions that give you all the information you need, but I'll be giving you a lot of that information. And then you also get the charging cord that you need to charge this. So they are kind enough to include a Type-C to Type-C cord so that you can keep this charged. Let's set all this off to the side and let's take a look at the charger itself. Very simple, sleek, beautiful design by ESR as always. You can see the nice little circle here where that ESR HaloLock technology is built into this. And HaloLock, what does that mean? HaloLock is their MagSafe compatible magnetic ring. It is stronger even than Apple's own MagSafe accessories. It is one of the strongest, absolute strongest MagSafe magnets you're going to find in any accessory. So when you stick your phone on here, you know it's going to hold. Now, besides that, you've got your Type-C port here. You use this to charge as well as possibly other things, and I'll mention that in a minute. And then on the back, you have this handy kickstand. Now again, this does come in black or white. Here on the bottom, you have your LED indicators that'll let you know how much of battery charge you have left, or when you're charging it up, how far you have to go to charge it completely. So everything you have in this nice, small, compact, and 5000 mAh battery. Now let's talk about all the features of this. That battery, of course, keeps you charged up, wireless charging through MagSafe, and that's awesome. But what makes this even better is the fact that it's got this kickstand. You lift this up, you've got an adjustable angle, so you can have it at that angle, you can have it at a slightly more straight up angle. And because the magnets on here are so strong, you can use it in any mode. So you can use this for more of a vertical mode, like that. But you can also use this in a horizontal mode like that. So you could be watching YouTube videos, which is great. Now, what else is great about this is you can charge your phone and charge the power bank at the same time. So you see the little input is here on the side. So if say you have your phone here by your bedside at night, you could have this plugged in and this will be charging, but this will also be wirelessly charging your phone. So you could use this not only as your battery pack, but as your bedside charger at night. And so you just set this up and plug this into the Type-C, throw your phone on there, and the battery pack will be charging and your phone will be charging, which is great. Now, in addition to that, you have a maximum 7.5 watt output through that wireless charging, but you can also charge your iPhone or any other device through the Type-C. So this is not only an input, it's also an output. The button to turn it on is right over here. You press that for 3 seconds and that turns it on for charging. And if you plug a Type-C in there, then you could have a Type-C to Lightning or Type-C to Type-C, and you can use this to charge your iPhone or any device wired. Now, it doesn't charge both at the same time. It's going to be one or the other. But just know that you can use this wire to charge any device, and it has a maximum output of 12 watts through the wire charging. Obviously, the main use for this is with your iPhone for wireless charging. And again, you put that on there, and it's not too big. Like, even if you wanted to walk around with this in your hand, not that that's the main use of it, but you could use your phone with this on it, especially if you're not necessarily putting it in your pocket, but you're just walking around your hotel room or somewhere and you just want to keep your phone charging, but you need to use your phone. You could hold it in here. It's not too big for that. But what makes it really, really great is, again, you've got the HaloLock technology so that you can use it in vertical or horizontal mode because that magnet is so strong. You've got nice, sleek design. You've got that stand which has multiple angles, so you can put it at any angle you want to. Put your phone on there and stand your phone up. So really it works great in that way. And then the fact that you can charge wirelessly, or if you need to, you can use that Type-C port to charge not only your iPhone, but any device through wired charging. All those features packed into this beautiful 5,000 mAh battery pack. Great battery pack by ESR. If you're looking for something that's small and portable but gives you the functionality, having that stand is really a bonus. You may think that you wouldn't use that, but I guarantee you if you have this, you're going to find it so useful. And the fact that you could even use this as just your sole charger. This could be what you use to charge your phone every night, because you can have this plugged in and just put your phone on here to charge. But then you would always have this backup battery pack as an extra power if you needed it. So really excellent product by ESR. If you are looking for a MagSafe compatible battery pack, then this little mini battery pack from ESR is really an excellent product, and definitely one I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.